Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the image and immediately duplicating the background layer so you can always revert. Next, select the text area with the tool that gives the cleanest edge, pen for curves, marquee for blocks. Once done, remove the visible text on the duplicated layer using Content-Aware Fill or the clone stamp. You do this so new text sits on a clean patch. Make sure to name layers clearly so you won't overwrite originals. Now you'll recreate the text. You use the eyedropper to pick the exact color, then select the Type tool and type your replacement. Adjust font, size, and tracking to match the original. When perspective differs, apply Edit, Transform, Distort, or Warp so the text follows the plane. Once placed, add layer styles like Drop, Shadow, or Bevel and tweak opacity and blend mode so the new text integrates. If the image has noise or blur, add matching grain or blur to the text layer. Finish by refining edges and exporting. You should convert the text layer to a smart object if you plan filters or rasterize for pixel edits. Keep a PSD copy with layers intact. When ready, save as PNG for transparency or JPEG for flattened images. Make sure color and contrast match the scene by nudging levels or using match color. If something goes wrong, like harsh edges, soften them with a tiny Gaussian blur and reintroduce grain. That one troubleshooting trick fixes most visible mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.